Hi everyone, it's Nisha. So I am just filming eyeshadow tutorial, and as you can see I have two different eyes and I have to now take them off and do another look. And I remember people asking me, how do I take my eye makeup off without disturbing the rest of my face makeup? So I thought this is a perfect time to show you. So imagine you are going out, you're doing your makeup, you've done your eyes and you think, actually, I don't like this look. Happens to me all the time. So then you can quickly take it off without disturbing the rest of your face. So I'm using some sort of micellar water. Don't use one that has oil in it. You know, like those removers like Lancome, they have two phases. They have like a bit of oil and a normal remover. Don't use those because then your eyelid will be really greasy and it might be difficult to apply your eyeshadow on again. I've got here La Roche-Posay Aqua Micellar Ultra Water. You take one of these are, I love these are Shiseidos. They are extremely soft. So soak this cotton pad. I always fold it in half. And then, first of all, take off the eyeshadow very gently from the top lid. Then the bottom eyelid, if you did it on the bottom. And then I put my finger in between here and I stick this cotton pad in between my eyelashes. And I start wiping off very gently the mascara. Your goal is to take as little makeup from around your eye as possible. Turn it over and then I will go on the top as well and very gently rub it. You see how much mascara is coming off? Your eye might get a bit red because, you know, but it doesn't matter, we will fix it. And the rest is just the mascara. Mascara is obviously the most difficult. If you need to change the pad, change the pad. Now I'm just getting rid of mascara. Eyeshadow is very easy to get rid of, but mascara is a bit more stubborn, especially the amount I put on. Okay, and that is gone now. I'm going to do the same with this eye. So again, very gently try to take off first the top lid eyeshadow, then the lower lash line, and then tackle the mascara. Put your finger in between like this, stick that in between your lashes, close your eye on it and just gently rub till you get it all off. You probably need to use quite a few. I usually use about 4 of these. It's just that when it's already like this, you don't want to keep going around because you can then transfer that onto your makeup, onto your face and make it worse. There is always a lot of mascara. You could not get rid of all the mascara, but when you then want to top it off with more mascara, it can be difficult. So it's best to just remove it all. Okay, so now I've got red eyes. Now what you're going to do is take your concealer, your damp beauty blender, and we're going to repair. Don't put too much, because it's better to add some than have too much and cover your under eye area too much. And then just where you remove that makeup, you reapply the concealer. That looks like enough. And now I'm going to take my powder. I've got here the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Powder, the little one in one of these triangles, and set that concealer, set your eyelids. Now, sometimes what can happen, you know, this was quite easy. Sometimes I have much stronger makeup and I will take off much more of my makeup here. So I will do the concealer, and if I've taken off a bit too much of my blush, I will quickly just reapply it where it was. And you wouldn't know that I had makeup on. So that's how you do it. That's how you remove your eye makeup without disturbing the makeup on the rest of your face. I hope you found it helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and stay fabulous. Bye.